I would like to wish a happy Easter to all West St. Paul families who celebrated this past weekend. I know how difficult it is not to be able to enjoy these special celebrations in traditional gatherings with family and friends because of the social distancing measures. It's wonderful to see West St. Paul families find new and creative ways to connect with loved ones. Family visits through social media, dropping off food for loved ones, texts and phone calls. Being separated to slow the spread of COVID-19 does not diminish the love and spirit we share. More than ever, we need love, hope, and acts of kindness. I want to thank our community members again for following health and safety rules established by the provincial and federal governments. West St. Paul families are staying home, practicing social distancing, and not gathering in groups. For some of you, staying home may be difficult. If you are feeling isolated, please reach out to friends and family. There are also government resources available to help you. Please check out the Manitoba Health website for more information on the resources available. These are challenging times with isolation, job loss, kids missing their friends and school. Please remember we are all in this together. We can support one another in so many ways. Our municipal response to COVID-19 remains unchanged since last week. On behalf of West St. Paul Council, administration and staff, I will continue to update our community with a video message every week until the health and safety restrictions have been lifted. Our municipal staff will continue to share all provincial health bulletins by email and on our West St. Paul website. I want to thank our staff for this ongoing excellent communication during this challenging time. All our municipal staff are working hard to ensure your essential local services such as emergency response, water and wastewater services, garbage and recycling collection, and road clearing continue without interruption. On Thursday, the provincial government announced enforcement measures for people who continue to gather in groups. Individuals who break the rules, such as the 10-person limit on public gatherings, will face fines of $486. The province is working with municipalities and First Nations communities to levy these fines. Outside of Winnipeg, municipalities and RCMP can issue these fines. Reports of non-compliance can be made to the Manitoba Government Inquiry phone line. Residents of West St. Paul have done an amazing job staying home for weeks now and following the social distancing requirements of the provincial government. The RM of West St. Paul urges you to continue to follow these guidelines. We have no interest in issuing fines and adding to the stress of this challenging time. I know we can all do our part to continue social distancing without having to issue tickets. As we help slow the spread of COVID-19 in our community and help our residents stay informed, I want to assure you that we are keeping an eye on the Red River and areas in our community at risk of flooding. Since the floodway gates were lifted on Friday, river levels in West St. Paul have dropped slightly. As of Monday, river levels were around 18 feet James. With river levels expected to crest near Emerson this week, we are still below water levels during the 1997 flood. At that time, the river levels reached 24.5 James Avenue. Flood forecasts continue to indicate that the risk of flooding on the Red River in our area remains relatively low. With that said, West St. Paul has procedures in place to take action if water levels become high, while conforming to the physical social distancing measures required to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Out of an abundance of caution, our staff will be inspecting all riverfront areas this week. We will share flood updates from the province with our residents as they become available. Our municipality is well prepared. Stay safe and healthy, and thank you for helping to protect our friends, our neighbors, and our loved ones by flattening the curve and slowing the spread of COVID-19. Thank you.